Hey everybody, Adam Van Fleet here from MarineMax Danvers, back again. Listen, New Year just happened, holidays are over, boating season is almost here. If you're looking to come to the New England Boat Show, but you're kind of on the fence, bringing the family, getting tickets, figuring out where to park, doing all that stuff, but still want boat show pricing and boat show deals, we're having a pre-show this weekend at MarineMax Danvers, 10 Hutchinson Drive, right behind BJ's, and all of our boat show special pricing has already started, and the wait is over. Incentives and promotions are back. We have tons of boats inside, a couple of big boats outside. We got searays, we got whalers, we got Aviaras, we got Sailfish, we got used boats, new boats, brokerage boats. Anything that you're looking for, the specials have already started. It's indoors, it's heated, the parking lot is huge. We're gonna have some cocktails here Friday night till about 7 o'clock. All the sales guys are here. Everybody is ready to go. Nice, easy. Specials have already started. Come on down. Come see us, Danvers, Mass. Call us. Make an appointment, 781-395-0050. My name's Adam. Mike will be here. John will be here. Matt will be here. Everybody's ready to go. Come on down. Get your pre-boat show specials, and let's get you on the water this summer. We'll see you guys soon.